Hey guys, are you ready for a new set of amazing gadgets for your car? As always, all the links to the products you'll find in the description below. And let us know in the comments which gadgets you'd like to see in our next videos. This video is sponsored by Mech Arena. This one's for the racers, a precise and compact GPS timing device. Mount it, pair it with the app via Bluetooth, and hit the road. The lap timer feature provides glanceable info when racing on the track. There are over 1,500 preloaded racetracks, and you're free to add your own configurations. Then, the drag meter will help you track your car's acceleration, braking, and speed performance. Turn on the AI-powered predictive mode that studies your driving patterns, predicting your drag time with higher precision. The app also provides you with further in-depth analysis and drag distance metrics. Oh, and best of all, this thing comes with several mounting accessories, so you can install it on your bike, motorcycle, or even a boat. Yep, it's fully waterproof. Take your car audio system to the next level with this new radio device. So first, this thing is compatible with DAB, the high-quality digital radio. Heard a great song but don't know its name? Just tag the track with the push of a button and add it right to your Spotify playlist. This thing's Bluetooth enabled, which lets you stream your own music directly from your phone. The wireless controller provides a bunch of physical buttons and volume knob along with a built-in display. Oh, this radio also comes with separate microphone, allowing hands-free phone calls and seamless integration with your voice assistant. Last but not least, the device works with virtually any car out there. Okay guys, we show you some robots from time to time, but none of them are as cool and powerful as these mechs over here. Mech Arena is a stunning mobile shooter where your skills and tactics are no less important than your style. With a whole lot of maps, weapons, and battle modes, you and your friends have infinite possibilities to explore. The 5v5 control point clash became the ultimate anti-stress for our entire team, and then you can join the 2v2 death matches or set your own rules in the custom match. Just like our favorite gadgets, the mechs are provided with all sorts of skins and add-ons. Take the Paragon. He looks great from the start, but with the leopard skin, this guy is the king of the party. Now, Juggernaut might be a bit sluggish, but don't you mess with him. This mech is a monster, especially with that Fright Light skin. And of course, you're free to upgrade all your weapons, whether it's a plasma cannon, shotgun, or missile rack. That's what we love about this game. Every player has his own style. On top of that, the news and big updates keep coming, like blasts out of your shotgun. For instance, there was this huge Mechs Are Here event that raised $100,000 for charity. Also, there was a real-life battle in LA, where some guys piloted an actual life-size mech on the Mech Arena Championship. No kidding. As for the game, 12 new awesome pilots are coming to the game on December 20th. And then we'll get Battle Pass Season 2, new 2v2 deathmatch maps, and an entire schedule of holiday events. Best of all, Mech Arena is completely free to play on both iOS and Android. But that's not all. Click on the link in the description or scan the QR code on the screen and you'll get 50,000 credits, 3 gold crates, and 1 exclusive mech skin heraldic. That's quite a start. So hurry up, add me to friends, and we can play some matches together. Now you have great music, the smell should be just as good. This perfume diffuser will perfectly fit your car interior. With its smooth, all-aluminum construction, the accessory is sleek and sturdy as it gets. Filling up your essential oil is incredibly easy. Remove the cap and then screw it back on. The cap height also lets you adjust the fragrance levels. 3 popular scents are already included in the package, along with a bunch of replacement pads. Plus, there's a choice of colors for any taste. This cam is your guardian now. Okay, there are 2 cams, so you can see both the road and the interior of your car. The road-facing cam features crystal clear 1440p quality, while the front one brings infrared LED sensors for enhanced night vision. Switching between them and adjusting the settings is easy thanks to the LCD touchscreen. There's 160 gigabytes of onboard storage, but you don't need to watch it on the cam since the mobile app takes all the videos right to your phone. Here you can view and edit them or even get a live stream. More than that, the cam uses AI algorithms to automatically detect risky situations and send you an instant alert. Plus, this thing is equipped with a microphone and speakers, which allows two-way talk with your passengers. Now you're ready for anything. This little brick is able to charge up virtually anything, from juicing up your phone to jump-starting a vehicle. By the way, the jumper cables are included in the package along with a handy carrying pouch. The gadget also features a built-in LCD screen that shows you the battery status and all the settings. But wait, there's more! This thing also acts as an air compressor and an inflator. Use the same screen to quickly set the pressure level you need. You can use this thing with tires, balls, and mattresses. The universal nozzle is suited for everything. Setting off on a long trip? Here's a cargo box that'll definitely fit all your stuff. What's really neat? You're free to access the box from both sides. The grippy handles and built-in lid lifters will help you with that. The secure slide lock system automatically locks the box and clearly indicates that it's safely closed. And don't worry, this thing won't hinder your trunk opening in any way. Another great option for travelers is this rooftop tent. It provides enough room for the entire family, 2 adults and 2 children. The king-size memory foam mattress is included in the package. Thanks to the dual-layer aerodynamic shell, the tent is wind-resistant and really strong. The canopy windows provide good airflow, and there's a special sky view window on top. In addition, you have this sturdy telescopic ladder with comfortable angle steps. This tent is compatible with most vehicles and crossbars. You get all the accessories for mounting right out of the box. Vintage form and modern features. This cassette receiver brings Bluetooth connectivity to your outdated audio system, letting you stream music directly from your smartphone. This thing supports high-quality formats and dual-channel stereo playback, lasting up to 8 hours on a single charge. It should get you through even the longest trips. Also, this thing automatically turns off after disconnecting from your devices. Cassettes are back in fashion. Here's another great dash cam. The first thing you'll notice is the ultra-wide 8-inch screen, but the coolest part here is night vision. Combined with a 45-degree field of view, it makes driving in the dark safer than ever. Of course, this thing also supports real-time recording that's stored on a removable micro SD card. The built-in G-sensor automatically detects a sudden collision and locks the footage of it. And on top of that, there's a 24-hour parking monitor feature that doesn't depend on your car's battery. There are 2 ways to install the cam, either on your dashboard or windscreen. You're no longer afraid of the dark. With this cigarette lighter adapter, you're able to plug in multiple devices at once. So first you get 3 regular cigarette plugs for your dash cam, GPS, and all that. Each socket has an individual power button for energy saving and safety. The blue LED lights look cool while also making the sockets easier to find. Plus there's an LED voltage display that helps you protect the battery of your gadgets. And best of all, this thing also boasts 2 USB ports that can charge your phone and tablet simultaneously. Cool. Take your road trip snacks to a whole new level with this handy tray table. This thing installs right into your cup holder. Featuring a 9-inch surface, it provides plenty of space for your meals. In addition, there's a dedicated padded phone stand. Feel free to position the table any way you want using the 360-degree swivel arm along with adjustable joints. And don't worry about wobbling, the rubberized mounting arms keep this thing stable and don't leave any scratches. Okay, we're really serious about dash cams. Here's another great option with a full set of features: dual HD cameras, live video streaming, and security alerts. But what's really cool? This thing is also GPS enabled, which allows turn-by-turn navigation and trip histories that you can share with friends. As for installation, there's just a few simple steps. Tighten a couple of screws, plug in your OBD cable, and mount the cam to your dash or windscreen. Actually, the previous model is also worth checking out. Aside from the companion app, you can control this cam with gestures. Whenever something happens, just wave to the cam and it saves the video. Plus, you can customize the display with different styles. This handheld polisher allows all sorts of treatments for your precious vehicle. It features a powerful 900-watt motor along with 6 speed levels to choose from. The tool comes with 5 replaceable foam discs that can be easily swapped depending on your needs: polishing, sanding, or removing wax stains. All of them are completely safe for the surface and paint. In addition, the package includes 2 different handles, D-shaped and side handle. Even the carbon brush can be replaced when needed. What's really cool? The polisher is lightweight, so you can work for hours without breaking a sweat. Next up, we have this compact power inverter. Plug it into your cigarette lighter and you'll get an ultimate charging station for all your devices. 2 USB ports and 2 standard AC outlets, that should be more than enough. With its durable metal body, the gadget's certainly built to last. Plus, it includes all levels of protection: over voltage, short circuit, overheating. None of that's a threat to you. Now this dash cam is truly one of a kind. So first, it stands out with an ultra-slim design while delivering 1440p video quality and ultra-wide field of view. And of course, there's a mobile app with your live view and saved videos. Plus, the cam is equipped with a microphone and SD slot, although you can actually save your footage directly on the cloud. And here comes the coolest part. Unlike all other dash cams we've seen so far, this one has a share button. So every time you see a falling star or a unicorn crossing the street, you can upload the video right to your social networks or messengers. You know, some of the coolest videos on the net were shot on dash cams.